ora, my cuzzies. I'm just eating my aporo. And I'm spending some time with Tāne Mahuta. Kia ora, Tāne Mahuta. I was just thinking about my teeth. I love my teeth. They help me be able to eat some aporo. They help me eat a steak. They help me smile at people. And they help me eat more steak. It's really important that we look after our teeth, my cuzzies. That gives me an idea. I should go get a checkup on my teeth. I know the perfect spot. Come on! Kia ora.
Hi.
Hi,
You must be Buzz.
that's me. You must be Bianca.
Yes, that's right.
Kia ora. I was just wondering if I was able to get my niho checked today.
Absolutely. Have a seat. I won't be long. I'll just get the room ready.
Come on, cuzzies. Oh, don't mind if I do.
We're ready for you now, Buzz. Come on through.
Oh, perfect. Come on, cuzzies.
Have a seat, Buzz. I'll just put my mask, gloves and goggles on so I don't get all my germs on you.
Ooh.
Cool. All ready. This is my amazing light.
Whoa. That's one of the coolest lights I've ever seen.
We're going to pop you back, OK? Here we go.
Whoa. This is amazing. This is like a spaceship. Hey, can I fly to outer space in this spaceship?
I wish you could, but unfortunately not.
Oh.
Can you pop those glasses on for me?
Yeah. I am a little bit nervous, Bianca. Is there something I can hold?
Yeah, absolutely. What about this giant toothbrush?
Yes, please. Big toothbrush. What's something important I need to know about brushing my teeth?
Definitely use a soft bristled brush and brushing twice a day, morning and night.
Okay.
This is my special camera.
Whoa, that doesn't look like a camera.
It's my tiny little tooth camera.
Flash.
Can you bite together? Amazing. Let's see if we can take a photo. So if you have a little look over here, Buzz, you can see your teeth on the screen.
Whoa, that's amazing. Hey, I've got a joke. What did one tooth say to the other?
I don't know, what did one tooth say to the other?
Oh, come on.
So this is just gonna dry your teeth. So it dries all the water off your teeth so that I can have a really good look at your teeth. And they are looking really awesome, Buzz. Have you seen this stuff before?
Nah, what is that?
This is called dental floss. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Flossing is fun. Hey, I've just thought of another joke. What do you call a dinosaur with really good teeth?
I don't know, what do you call a dinosaur with really good teeth?
Velociraptor.
I think that's because they floss every single night.
Yeah, I'm gonna floss and brush my teeth every night as well too.
Awesome, Buzz. We're all finished now. I'll just sit you back up.
Okay. I feel like a transformer. This has been so much fun.
You did so well. Can I give you this sticker?
Okay, thank you. And I'll give you your big toothbrush back.
Thank you.
Check it out, my cuzzies, we did it. Hey, make sure you protect your niho. Ka kite anō.